Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm preparing myself because I'm going to be on a bike trip right there in Barotac, Nuevo. Yeah. Bike check ready. Let's go. Welcome to Ligne. It's one of the most beautiful place with a beautiful plaza. Oh look, there are lots of coffees. Looks like this fish will intentionally breed here so that we will try. These fish are actually hybrids. Oh, nice. Guys, I'm here in the town of Zaraga, the hometown of one of our local heroes here, Mr. Perfecto, something like that. Oh, Perfecto Poblador. This is one of the few plazas that was devastated by war. But today, as you can see, most of the people here live in peace. Politics here is nothing compared to the humility of the people in this town. And this is one of the town that I usually go for a visit. It's not quite far, maybe from my house it was 14 kilometers away. But if you came from a little city, it might be 18 to 19 kilometers. One more town to go, to Mangas. After that, I'll be in Barotac, Nuevo. See ya. The headwind is so strong. And this is what I call disaster river. Bangka Yes, Bangka One more to go. Barotac Nuevo, here I go. The Halaor River. This is one of the most dangerous river here in Panay Island. It looks calm, but actually this is one of the killer rivers here. It claims so many lives. While standing above this bridge, I can feel it shaking. Hopefully it will not collapse soon. This bridge might be too old to have but it is one of the most important bridge that connects Mangas in Zaraga. Without this bridge, Barotac and other towns in the northern Iloilo might be affected. Headwind, it's so strong. This is an open field, so I need to slack down, or else I might get caught in an accident or sprain. Right now I'm going to Casa Giametta, one of the most beautiful inland resort here in Barotac, Nuevo. As you can see beside me, that's the river, and here's the main road. Right now I'm here in Casa Giametta. As you can see, the villas here are more on Spanish designs, and there are tastes of Mediterranean design. Right here, this is a ranch. They usually have horseback riding here. Finally, this adds solemnity to those who worship in this place. In fact, this is one of the best parish regarding in the way they approach the unchurched. That is why St. Disagon is known to be the one of the best parish here in the 4th district of Iloilo. This is the football field of Barotac Nuevo. As you can see, the stadium is being constructed right now, and they are trying to finish this as soon as possible because this is one of the most well accommodated football field here in the Philippines. Some of the international events are being held here. I think I need to pass this place so that I can visit my relatives that laid into rest in this cemetery. Right now I'm here in the Mangas Municipal Cemetery, and I went to visit this one and this one. This is actually my mother. This one is my grandfather. Most of my relatives are buried here and laid into rest because this is considered to be an antique cemetery. Majority of the people here have mostly died on old age, while few are from car accidents, and some are from the diseases. But then most of them actually died from old age because Dumangas has lots of centenarian here. This is a well-maintained cemetery, very clean, very organized. My grandfather and my uncle, in my mother's side cousins. I miss my Lola Olem. She is a great woman for us. Without her, my relatives won't unite because the time that she is alive, we used to gather inside her house. We used to visit her, and she is a very talkative woman. I learned a lot from her, especially on how to unite a broken. Lola Olem, I miss you. I offer you my prayers. All of your prayers for us have happened. Now this time, allow us to pray for your soul together with Lolo Alia because we know both of you are together eternally. Yes, the Cebu, favorite hangout place of Dumangasan. The western part of Dumangas is the Sampaw River, the river that connects to Magsilayan River. As you can see, there are rafts. These are actually not just an ordinary raft. These are the nesting place of native oysters. These oysters, as you can see, goes to the city as a source of food for different peoples. Nice view. Welcome to Costa del Estrella. This is the end of my trip for today. I will have another trip maybe this week or another week. Whenever I decide to go, it's up to you. It's a surprise, guys. Once again, this is Ray. Thank you so much for joining me in my trip, for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube videos in my YouTube channel, Ray Batid1 or Intravillion Ray, in any of the two. See you next time, guys. This is Ray. God bless you guys.